A Lenovo ThinkPad docking station allows you to turn your laptop into a full workstation by adding extra ports for monitors, keyboards, storage devices, and wired internet. These docks connect through USB-C or Thunderbolt and can even charge your laptop while powering multiple peripherals at the same time. When set up correctly, a docking station makes it easy to switch between a mobile laptop setup and a productive desktop workspace. To ensure everything works smoothly, you just need the right connection, updated drivers, and proper display configuration using tools like Lenovo Vantage. Step 1. Connect the docking station cable to your ThinkPad's USB-C or Thunderbolt port. Step 2. Plug the dock's power adapter into a wall outlet so it can power devices and charge the laptop. Step 3. Attach your monitors, keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals to the dock's ports. Step 4. Install or update drivers using Lenovo Vantage or Lenovo System Update. Step 5. Open Windows Display Settings to arrange monitors and finish configuring your workstation.